के लिए. Thank you so much for your time. Let's also in fact rope in Ambassador Baswati Mukherjee, who is a former diplomat. She's joined us on this broadcast. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. This is the biggest news that we have been tracking over the past 25 days. The students wanted a designation of the Union Education Minister, and that's what they got. We are yet to see a discussion between the CJP leaders and the government today at 4 p.m. How are you looking at this development, ma'am, firstly?
Well, it was clear, it was becoming clear over the last 48 hours that the position of Mr. Pradhan, who is a very well-respected parliamentarian from Orissa and a grassroots politician, his position was becoming untenable because of the insistence that the negotiations to take off and to be completed and for the agitation to be called off had focused on his resignation, which was then taken up in Parliament by large sections of the opposition. So it moved from being merely a student demand, and that's normal student agitations is something that I, for example, am quite familiar with when I was at Delhi University decades ago. It moved from being a student demand to being a political demand, which was being articulated inside Parliament, outside Parliament, on streets, etc., etc. In such a situation, if, as PM has said, that there will be education reform, this will be urgently addressed, that there would be fast-track courts, etc., then, in my perspective, it would be difficult for somebody who has suddenly become the eye of the storm, so to speak, to lead those reforms forward. So what would be required is a new face, a new person, equally, if not more respected, who would be able to take those reforms forward and who would be acceptable to the party in Parliament, and much more important, to young opinion outside in the streets, because at the end of the day, we must remember that India is a young country. These are young people. When we are young, when I was young, I always felt very strongly about issues. That's part and parcel of being young. And they need to be reassured that their legitimate demands will not only get a fair hearing, but their requests for change will be looked at very seriously with regard to implementation. So I would say that, in a way, his position was unsustainable and he did the right thing in offering to step down. I have only seen these reports 7 minutes ago.
Yes.
Breaking news. I haven't had time to get any further details about it. I think it must be a very, very fresh news, because NewsX
Yes.
also called me urgently and asked me to join within 2 minutes. So I haven't really got any further background than what I'm saying.
Right, right. But thank you so much, ma'am, for your perspective on this issue and for joining us. Well, we have Shivani Yadav, a NEET